Hello everyone and welcome to Sensational. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make flan de vainilla. I know I felt like Dexter from Dexter's Lab saying omelette du fromage, but no. So flan de vainilla, which is a Latin dessert. However, for today I'm going to say it's a Puerto Rican dessert because I'm half Cuban, half Puerto Rican, and it's my recipe. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I make it. So let's get started. So the ingredients you're going to need are going to be 1 can of condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, vanilla extract, 3 eggs, and 1 cup of white sugar. So first, to make the caramel, we're going to put about 1 cup of white sugar at medium heat on the stove, and we're gonna wait for it to caramelize, and it's going to take about 10 to 15 minutes. We want to see the sugar turn into a light brown liquid form, so you can either leave it on its own, or in my case, I like to just mix it up and break it apart until it turns into that caramel light color that we are looking for. Once it's done, you're going to pour the caramel immediately into your favorite baking pan. Quickly, before it hardens, you want to swirl the caramel all around so that it covers the base evenly. All right, and now we mix all the other ingredients. Here I'm adding 1 can of evaporated milk, and I'm also adding the can of condensed milk. Condensed milk is so good. You can just eat this by itself, and that's a dessert in itself. And then here I'm gonna add 3 eggs. You can add just 2 eggs if you want to make the flan a bit creamier, or if you wanna make it a bit more firm, you'll add 4 eggs. And then about a tablespoon of vanilla extract. And now let's get ready to blend. We need to make sure that the caramel is hardened prior to adding the mix. Once all the ingredients are in the pan, we're going to place the pan in what we call baño de Maria, which is placing this pan inside of a bigger one that will be filled with water. So now fill the outer pan with water until it fills about halfway to nearly the top of the pan inside. And we're gonna bake the flan at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1 hour. Once the hour is up, you're going to refrigerate for at least 4 hours. And voila, there you have it. This delicious Latin dessert that's just scrumptious, creamy, and addictive. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. More than anything, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Try making this dessert and just have one of the best desserts ever made by humankind. Enjoy.